Hi everyone, this is Laney. Welcome to our factory. We are located in Jingdezhen City, Jiangxi Province.
The total area is 70,000 square meters. The production base is 45,000 square meters.
We mainly produce materials handling equipment and intelligent warehousing equipment. If you are interested in our products, welcome to inquire and leave your message.